My name is Dishalan. I'm 8 years old. I study in SJKT Saraswathy. I learn robotics at Robotland Centre. My elephant robot will go straight, but when its trunk falls off the cliff, it will turn right. Let me show you my robot.